definitely increase your credit score by 50 points. You can increase your credit score by 100 points. It really just depends on what you do to increase your credit score. That's why I teach people to 60 points in 60 days. We're talking 50 points. That's nothing, especially if you guys follow the different rules I teach you guys on how to increase your credit score. And the biggest thing is just paying down your debt, removing those negative and inaccurate accounts from your credit reports. Those are like the biggest things. Paying on time, making sure you have at least 4 credit cards. Those different things can help you increase your credit score. But definitely make sure you guys check out the 50 points in 50. I'm saying 50. That's 60 points in 60 days, you guys. This is going to definitely teach you guys how to increase your credit score. 60 points in 60 days. That's like the target. You guys can definitely get more than that. You see, like I said, 113 points right here as in one time. So I say 60 points, but look right here, somebody else got more. And when you guys go through it, 60 points in 60 days, you're going to see more people that got greater increases, 90 something points, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 10, just points out of nowhere. And don't forget too, when I'm saying increase your credit score 60 points, I'm thinking multiple ways for you guys to increase your credit score, doing multiple things, because you may get 10 points here, 30 points there, doing different tricks, 40 points because you got a new account deleted, different things like that. It does not have to be one thing that increase your credit score one time. It can be a thing like, okay, dang, this week I got 20 points. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I got 15 points the next week. Okay, good. Okay. Oh my gosh, got the account deleted. It's 35 points. Those different things. But every week I like to see some type of action. Like let your credit score go up something every week. But definitely you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. And you can do 50 points because 60 points is more. So definitely you guys can do it. You just have to learn exactly